ngā te maniapoto me ngā te mahanga me hapu, ko motu toku ingoa. Keeps me grounded. I enjoy it that much that I can get lost in music sometimes, Meeting Reti, actually, I've always sort of seen him in this kind of genre, light, I guess you could say, with Taonga Puoro. Shared with him how I'm wanting to explore the world of Te Reo Maori and sort of figure out where I fit in that. There's such a vibe when we get together and we start to create this music. We know when we're onto something. We just look at each other and we're like, yup. Like, music had always been around me, but I'd never been into it. And seeing these guys performing on stage, and I was like, oh, I could do that. The dream for us is to lift up Taonga Puoro as an equal to Western instruments. Our culture is so beautiful that I want to be a part of it, staying alive, and for the next generation to pick up our album and go, far, let's have a listen, and let's come up with our own rendition of what they did.